I'm Alex,
And I'm Caitlin.
and our challenge is to find a Sunday morning radio show on 90.9 FM Boston detailed why different fish have different levels of mercury. We have to find the date, the name of the program, and provide details to the story. Who was the expert consultant on the radio show, and what were his credentials? Some key words that we should highlight would be Sunday morning radio show and 90.9 FM Boston, which we will then put into our Google search. And it will bring us to WBUR, which is the official website.
Next, we're going to try to find the Sunday morning radio show. So we're going to go to do the 90.9 programs, and we're going to look at the days and times of all the shows, and we're going to try to find the right one that also fits the criteria of fish. So I see here it says Sunday at 7 a.m., which is Sunday morning, obviously, and living on Earth sounds relevant to fish. So you're going to click on this, and we see that this site has all sorts of animals. And next we are going to notice the URL at the top, which is loe.org, and we're going to use that when we are Googling the actual article. So we're going to type into Google, and we're going to use some Google operators. So first we're going to put in quotations, fish mercury levels, because the words are found together in a string. And next we're going to type in site, because we want to find our article on loe.org. We're going to press enter, and we're going to try to find our site. So first I noticed the first is living on Earth, which is what we want, why fish have different amounts of mercury, and it is the exact site loe.org that we want. So we're going to click on this, and we notice that it is the actual site, so we have found our article.
So then we'll go back here, and the expert consultant would be Joel Blum, who is a geochemistry professor at the University of Michigan, studies how trace elements and toxic chemicals move from one source to the next. Then we need to go back and find the date, which is the week of September 6th, 2013. We go down here, and some key information would be right here. So the key to understanding mercury is that there are several different forms of mercury in the environment, and there's one form that is taken up into fish and most toxic, and that is called methyl mercury. And we found in our study is that methyl mercury is formed in the ocean in a variety of different depths in the ocean. But when it forms near the surface of the ocean, suddenly breaks down the methyl mercury back into its common form, and therefore essentially detoxifies it. But deeper in the ocean, where there is no sunlight, this process doesn't take place, and so the toxic form of mercury can build up and can be incorporated into the food web and ultimately into fish.
So thanks for listening to us today. We have completed our task, and we hope we educated you on how to use the Google sites and operators. So thanks for watching.